Okay, here's my Troy battle rail installed on my AR. Very nice. Just need the evil brake for that. Feels good in the hand. Very light. Sturdy sights. I can't wait to shoot it. This is very solid, and it's 3 Allen screws it's on, and this is perfect here. 11-inch. I had a 7-inch on it before, but this holds my hand perfect. Down. And aim point T1, 2 MOAs going on it. And maybe a light. And rock river arm 2-stage trigger. Not here yet. It's supposed to be coming today. So I'll give a video on that. So I'll see you in a little bit.